Hello, everyone. I'm glad you're here today, ready to explore something deeply profound yet beautifully simple, the art of trusting your manifestation process. So often, we find ourselves lost in the chaos of our thoughts, and that makes it challenging to realize that everything we desire is already unfolding in the fabric of our reality. Today, we'll discuss how to navigate this journey with a sense of calm assurance and unwavering trust. Let's start with a fundamental truth: your mind is a powerful tool. It shapes your experiences and determines the reality you inhabit. The moment you begin to understand this, a world of possibilities opens up before you. But what does it mean to trust your manifestation process? It's about thinking about the understanding that everything you wish to manifest is already within you, waiting to be realized. The universe responds to your beliefs and feelings, and when you trust in this process, you align with the frequency of your desires. Now, imagine for a moment that you are the artist of your life. Every thought you entertain, every feeling you nurture, becomes a stroke on the canvas of your reality. This is where trust becomes essential. When you trust in your ability to manifest, you let go of doubt and fear. You step into the role of the creator, knowing that what you seek is not outside of you but already exists in the realm of possibilities. To cultivate this trust, begin by becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings. Pay attention to what occupies your mind daily. Are they thoughts of abundance and success, or do they lean towards lack and limitation? Your beliefs shape your reality. If you find yourself dwelling in negativity, it's time to shift your focus. Affirmations can be a powerful ally in this process. Repeat to yourself, "I am worthy of my desires. Everything I wish for is already mine." This practice not only reaffirms your beliefs but also helps to establish a sense of trust in the universe's ability to deliver. Visualization is another vital tool in the manifestation process. Picture your desires as vividly as possible. Engage all your senses in this exercise. What do you see, hear, feel, and even smell? This immersive experience solidifies your intentions in your subconscious mind. When you visualize your goals, you're essentially programming your mind to recognize opportunities and pathways that align with your desires. The key here is to feel the emotions associated with your dreams as if they are happening right now. This emotional connection creates a powerful resonance that the universe picks up on. Trusting the process also means understanding the importance of patience. It can be tempting to check in constantly on the progress of your manifestations, but this often leads to anxiety and doubt. Note, the universe operates on its own timeline. When you plant a seed in the ground, you don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. Instead, you water it, nurture it, and trust that in time, it will sprout. Your dreams are no different. Give them time to grow and evolve. Trust that they are manifesting in their perfect timing. Let's talk about the role of gratitude in this process. Gratitude acts as a magnet for your desires. When you cultivate an attitude of appreciation for what you already have, you open the floodgates to more blessings. Take a moment each day to acknowledge the abundance around you. This could be as simple as appreciating the warmth of the sun or the love of your family. When you focus on gratitude, you shift your energy from lack to abundance, reinforcing your trust in the manifestation process. Additionally, be aware of your self-talk. The words you speak to yourself carry immense power. Replace negative statements with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't," try, "I am capable of achieving my dreams." These small changes can significantly impact your mindset. When you speak kindly to yourself and support your dreams, you cultivate a nurturing environment for them to flourish. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you engage with and the content you consume can influence your energy and mindset. Seek out those who uplift you, who share your aspirations, and who encourage your journey. This support can strengthen your resolve and enhance your belief in the manifestation process. Let's explore the concept of surrendering to the universe. Surrender doesn't mean giving up, rather, it means releasing the need to control every outcome. Trust that the universe knows what is best for you, even when it may not align with your immediate desires. Sometimes, the universe has a bigger plan in store. By surrendering, you allow space for unexpected opportunities and blessings to enter your life. Journaling can be a powerful tool to enhance your manifestation journey. Take some time each day to write down your thoughts, feelings, and desires. This practice helps clarify your intentions and reinforces your belief in the manifestation process. Write about your goals as if they have already come to pass. Describe your life in vivid detail. The more specific you are, the better. This exercise not only keeps your dreams fresh in your mind but also aligns your energy with what you desire. As you navigate your manifestation journey, note that challenges and setbacks are a natural part of the process. Instead of viewing them as failures, consider them stepping stones toward your goals. Every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Trust that these experiences are shaping you into the person you need to become to achieve your desires. Pay attention to your intuition. Often, we overlook our inner guidance system in favor of external validation. Trusting your intuition is a crucial element in the manifestation process. When you feel drawn to a particular path or opportunity, listen to that inner voice. It may lead you toward experiences and connections that align with your goals. Let's talk about the importance of self-love in this journey. You must first believe in your worthiness to receive your desires. Practice self-love daily. Acknowledge your strengths and accomplishments, no matter how small. This loving energy creates a fertile ground for your manifestations to take root and thrive. When you nurture yourself with love and kindness, you are better equipped to trust the process and think of the unfolding of your desires. To deepen your understanding, consider the concept of living in the end. This means adopting the mindset and emotions of having already achieved your desires. How would you feel if your dreams were already realized? Think of that feeling and carry it with you throughout your day. This alignment with your future self reinforces your trust in the manifestation process, creating a powerful energetic shift. You can also incorporate mindfulness practices into your routine. Mindfulness helps you stay present and connected to the moment. By grounding yourself in the now, you release worries about the future and regrets about the past. This practice allows you to cultivate a sense of peace and trust, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, your intentions and desires. Inspired action is different from random action driven by fear or desperation. It's about tuning into your intuition and following the subtle nudges you receive from within. You might feel a sudden urge to reach out to someone, attend a specific event, or start a project you've been considering. These impulses often come from a place of alignment with your desires. When you trust these intuitive hits, you open doors to opportunities you may have previously overlooked. Additionally, practice the art of detachment. This means letting go of the need to control how and when your desires will manifest. Trust that the universe has its own timeline, and the way it delivers your dreams may be beyond your current understanding. This doesn't mean you stop working towards your goals. Instead, it allows you to act from a place of joy and curiosity rather than anxiety. When you detach from the outcome, you give yourself permission to enjoy the process, making the journey more fulfilling. You might also consider the significance of self-reflection in your manifestation practice. Take time to evaluate your beliefs and mindset. Are there any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back? Identifying and challenging these beliefs can significantly impact your ability to manifest your desires. You have the power to rewrite your story, to shift your narrative from one of limitation to one of abundance. Acknowledge these beliefs and then actively work on replacing them with thoughts that empower you. As you continue on this journey, note to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Acknowledge each step you take toward your desires. This celebration reinforces your belief in the process and encourages you to keep moving forward. When you celebrate your wins, you send a clear message to the universe that you are open to receiving more blessings. Reflect on your journey often. Take time to review your progress and acknowledge the manifestations that have already come to fruition. This reflection not only fosters gratitude but also strengthens your trust in the process. When you see evidence of your dreams materializing, it becomes easier to believe in what's yet to come. As we wrap up this exploration of trusting the manifestation process, I encourage you to approach each day with an open heart and a willing spirit. Think of the journey, knowing that every thought, feeling, and action contributes to the life you are creating. Trust that you are supported in this process, and that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. Note, you are the creator of your reality. Trust in your ability to manifest your desires and hold on to that belief, even in the face of doubt. Every moment is an opportunity to realign with your intentions and reaffirm your trust in the process. Thank you for being here today and allowing me to share this journey with you. I invite you to carry this understanding into your life and watch as your manifestations unfold in ways you may have never imagined. Trust the process, and watch how beautifully it all comes together. If you found value in this video, please take a moment to like and share it with others who may benefit. Your support helps spread these messages far and wide. Additionally, consider subscribing to the channel for more empowering content that can help you on your journey. Note, each time you like a video, you're not just showing support, you're also amplifying these powerful messages. Every share brings us one step closer to creating a world filled with abundance and positivity. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this journey together. You have the power to create the life you desire, and I'm here to support you every step of the way.